Wow, good morning Philippines. Good morning from Roa City, Capiz. Look at the beautiful sunrise. Behind the clouds, the sun is still shining. Look at the weather today, so beautiful. Yan guys, it's a beautiful sunrise this morning. Yan, we are still lucky, Roa City, Capiz again. Last night, no heavy rains, no wind. Yan, look. Pasalamat naman ulit kami dito, people from Capiz, especially in Roa City. Yan. Walang ulan, walang malakas na hangin last night, guys. Supposedly, malandfall ang wow, what a beautiful sunrise. Good morning Philippines. Good morning Roa City, Capiz. Wow, time check. It's already 5:30 in the morning here in Roa City, Capiz. Look at the beautiful sunrise, guys. Wow, we're still lucky here in Roa City, Capiz. Imagine last night, supposedly we have heavy rains, super windy, and then the high tide. But look, tahimik talaga ang Roa City, Capiz as last night, guys. Yan. Look at the moon. We are still lucky here in Roa City, Capiz, guys. Walang ulan, walang super windy. I don't know kung... Good morning once again, guys. The Philippine Airlines just landed. Look at the weather for now. It's a little bit windy, but it's sunny. It's beautiful. Look. Yan. We are grateful. We are thankful here in Roa City, Capiz, guys. Tahimik buong magdamag last night. Salamat walang ulan. Walang malakas na hangin. Yan, guys. Capiz, Roa City. Always be thankful and grateful to the Lord. Lagi tayong siniswerte sa typhoon. Yan, at this moment, look at the moon. Yan. Thank you talaga, Lord.